of course, thank God, not only I'm becoming, I am being a vessel of His goodness now, but of course, marami na rin tayong naging financial breakthrough, no? Na-experience natin yung part talaga na masasabi mo na kahit papaano meron ka ng time and financial more on financial freedom, no? Kasi right now I'm still working full time, no? But these things, I was able, because of this business, I was able to pay off 25,000 pounds of consumer debts. And then I was also able to donate to churches and charities worth over 9,000 euros. And nakapag donate din tayo, I was able to buy medical equipment worth mahal, nasa 5,000 pounds, and was able to donate that.